Roby Price, and welcome to my workshop. My passion is to build furniture, unique furniture, and furniture can be unique from a number of ways. It can be a unique size or shape. It can be the kind of wood that's there, wood that you just can't get anywhere else. I was told that if somebody looks at a piece of wood and they see the figure in it and it dances, they understand that that piece of furniture is made out of wood that is unique to the world. That's a trophy asset, especially if it's done well. And we won't do anything here unless it's done well. Also, my desire is to do it in a world-class shop. And we've got a long way to go. When we moved here 9 months ago, and if you've seen some of my episodes, you'll remember the shop. It was an empty building with a concrete floor and a leaky roof. Since then, we've added a floor, fixed the roof, we've got AC, and we're putting in walls, dust collection, electrical, cable tray. It's going in. We've made some progress. The shop is coming along, but there's a long way to go, and you can be with me to see that. Finally, the requirement is a home reno. We bought a house on the hill, a 100-year-old house. A 100-year-old house that hadn't been touched or upgraded in a long, long time. So there are projects in that house that are a requirement, and we're going to be doing a lot of those. And if you've tuned into past episodes, you've seen some of those already. So I hope you'll join us here and watch some of my episodes, but be warned, I'm using a long format. We're not a 7-minute YouTube channel. I'm working on a TV show format. 30 minutes is my goal. I'd like to trim it down a little bit more, but I find that I've just got too much to say. And getting a complete thought in less than about 30 minutes sometimes is difficult to do. So I'm not going to be building furniture, a full piece in 30 minutes. I'm not as good as Norm. But we will be spreading it out over a number of episodes, and we will be going into a great deal of detail. If that's what you want, I'm your guy. So please, tune into a few episodes and give us a try. And welcome to my workshop.